Boom, baby. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Trevor's Phone Reviews video. And in today's video, baby, woo, we're reviewing this JBL speaker. Yes, this nice JBL waterproof speaker. As you can see right here, it says JBL Harman Flip 4. And it is a Bluetooth water resistant speaker. And would you look at that, JBL puts a lot of time into their packaging, and that's a great look when you have a company who actually makes a package that is really good quality and not just junk. And we'll get the Bluetooth speaker out of the packaging. It has like a little soft material that's going to keep it protected. And as you see, the speaker is really great quality. Just holding it in my hand, I can feel there's a significant amount of weight. And JBL makes some really high-end quality speakers, especially for cars. My Toyota Celica had JBL speakers, and I'll tell you, that car bumped and thumped. It does have a lanyard on it, so if you want to carry it while you're going camping or you're out and about walking somewhere, you have the ability to do that. Especially if you're on like a nature walk or you're camping, you have the ability just to hold it, which is good. And it doesn't feel like it's going to fall off or break anytime soon. On the top, you have the volume up and down, as you can see right here. Play, volume up, volume down, and the Bluetooth. And they're all buttons on the front. As you can see, you can touch them and they're clickable. So now you see the blinking light is flashing, so you can play some audio with this device. So let me go get a different cell phone so you guys can hear it. So we're back, ladies and gentlemen, and when you hit the power button, it does make a sound. Hold it down. So it is letting you know how much battery life is left. And we did get my old Samsung cell phone, so we're going to link it up and set the Bluetooth up on the cell phone so we can pair this Bluetooth speaker, which, like I said, also is really heavy. It's like a 5-pound weight. And as you guys can see right here, the JBL Flip 4 shows up. And now it is pairing. So now it did pair this phone to that speaker. So now once I hit play on here, it's going to just start playing off that speaker.
I'm using the lights.
Turn the volume up on the phone.
Little miss.
So if I turn the speaker volume up and down on the phone.
Don't miss anything, I'm just trying to reminisce of all the times that I kinda wish I figured your ass. And all the times I fucked when I was without you. Behold, then I'm gonna be.
And you can see it thumping on the side, look.
The world in my power, only on everything. Got some reactions when you want me in my dreams. I want that ass. Die, Cupid, oh, die.
And that was a song called Die Cupid Die by my buddy Nick the Cracker. Haha, yeah, that's his rap name, Nick the Cracker. But that is just a hip-hop song, and you can hear it was bumping and thumping. And normally I'm not a hip-hop listener, so we'll play typical music that I listen to all the time to see what it sounds like. But like I said, I was just using my microphone, so it might not have been able to pick up this full sound quality, but it was really bumping and thumping for sure. So let's turn on some more like rock music, because that's typically what I listen to. Damn, that's loud. That's hella loud. That's a little too loud. Yeah. That's Contra Status.
They're saying that ranch is starting to replace ketchup.
Yeah, that's good. If you're a fucking hillbilly and you want to taste the ass in your mouth all fucking day. I hate that. Don't put it close to me. Don't put it around me. It's either blue cheese with wings or go fuck your mother. That's the next shirt, all right, please?
Blue cheese with wings, so you can fuck your mother.
Go fuck your mother and eat this shit. Fucking gonna give me ranch with my wings.
That's the next shirt.
Oh, so I'm not exactly sure if you could pick up the audio with my mic, so that's why I was using the audio sometimes just from the camera itself. But I will definitely say for the JBL Flip 4, this knocks, especially in rap music. The sides rattle back and forth. When it's metal and you have the phone or whatever you're listening to all the way full blast, it's a little too loud, and it's like crazy loud. Like you could throw this in the middle of a party, middle of a house, and you could have literally a playlist coming off your cell phone or tablet, whatever, and it would work very well. And especially if you wanted to set your tablet up and put this next to it and have podcasts playing or YouTube videos playing, this would work very well. This is solidly built. It is something that I will be using for a very long time. You can get it at Best Buy for 99 bucks. With tax, it comes to like $103 or something like that. So I definitely recommend you guys checking out the JBL Flip 4. So when you want to charge this, you flip up this spot, and underneath it has the USB and an auxiliary input, as you can see right here. So the auxiliary in is for devices that are not Bluetooth. It might be an older iPod, an older BlackBerry device, or just an older device in general, or you want to plug it into like a laptop or something just to get some more thump and bump. This works very well. You get 12 hours of continuous playtime. You charge it by USB, and the USB cable does not come in the box. Just letting you know that. So you will have to use your own USB cable. So when it's down, it's like this. And I will say it is kind of hard if you have no nails to get underneath this spot to open it up so you can charge it. But overall, I will definitely say this knocked very hard. And for $100, JBL, that is a win. And this has been a review of the JBL 4. I'm not going to try the waterproof functions of this. I'm not going to go dunk this in water because I'm not about that. But anyways, guys, if you want to take this in the shower or put it next to the tub while you're in the bathtub, you can do that as well. But like I said, this thing bumps very, very hard. It thumps, especially with the hip-hop. I think metal music sounds good on it, but it's just too freaking loud. So as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Damn, this is awesome.